Hi everyone, I'm standing outside here a duplex that I bought. I bought it about 3 weeks ago and it was belonged to two separate owners. It was very hard negotiation. The unit at the back was a guy that approached us through our online platform, through our website, and he wanted to sell it, and he actually named the price. He named the price of $100,000, which was a great price. And the one at the front was belonged to a different owner. So it took me about 3 or 4 weeks to hunt down the owner, because both of them were very hard to communicate with. The property at the front, the unit at the front, if you like, was an owner that was renting it to his son. And the one at the back was the guy that approached me through the website. So we ended up securing the deal. And after a long negotiation, we secured the one at the back for his asking price of $100,000, and the one at the front here, I got it for $125,000, just a little bit more. It was a little bit less damage. This is a building that was damaged by the Christchurch earthquake. I bought it as is, where is, meaning that it was uninsured and had a lot of damages in it. What we had to do now, we had to dig trenches all around the property here, around the perimeter of the foundations, to lift the foundations, to lift the concrete slab and level, because it was out of level but quite a lot. As you can see here in this photo, there is jacks that we're putting under the foundation, and we are pushing the foundation all around in one time to make it level. I'm going to take you around now, and I'm going to show you what else we are going to do here. Here are the stairs. So we had to really dig down here on this patio area, and again enter the foundation from that side. A lot of demolition, a lot of concrete breaking, and really difficult job, but it's all going to take place slowly but surely. What we are going to do here is we are going to level the house. This is the garages. There are 2 garages in this particular unit. So this is one unit, and this garage belongs to the second unit. We are going to remove those patios here. So here's the unit at the back. I'm going to show it to you. There is a patio here, which is going to be removed and reconstruct. We're going to reconstruct it from wood. This particular duplex, I was very excited about this deal because I have 2 kids, and I actually bought it with my buy and hold entity. I'm not planning to flip this one. I'm planning to keep it because I got it for a really good price. I bought it for an all-in purchase price of $125,000, and the renovation is going to cost all around about $250,000. So I'm going to be all in about $475,000, while the rent are going to be $450,000 each side. So I'm going to be $475,000 cost, and the rent is going to be roughly between, let's say, $850 to $900. So the return is quite good, very hard to come by. So here are the foundation. Again, it's all getting jacked up and ready to be leveled. I'm going to show you here from outside. As you can see, before we go inside, the red line here. This red line, it's a sewage line that is actually servicing the neighboring property right there behind me. So it's servicing, it's going into my property here, and then it goes down along the boundary all the way to the front. We had another stormwater line that needed to be replaced, so we replaced that, but now we're going to replace the sewage line as well. Now, the property at the back does not have an easement or legal right to actually drain into here, so we are going to start negotiation with them to contribute towards replacing that sewage line all along. So at least their part that is meeting me here at the corner, their part is actually joining from the boundary over there all the way around to here, and then it turns around and it's discharging to the street. It's very common in those old 1960s, 1970s buildings that in some point it probably was built by the same builder back in the day, and there was just no easement registered. But we're going to get this resolved very thoroughly. Let me show you inside. The way to get in here is through those garages. I'm going to show you here. Here you go. I'm going to climb the stairs here. Very high stairs that break the concrete here. How's it going, dude?
Good, mate, yourself?
Good. Here you go, that's the building here. That's just a bedroom. One bedroom, there's 2 bedroom, 1 bath. And here we have another bedroom, which is, sorry, that's the actual living room, which is connecting to the kitchen here. Very old. We are going to, we already ripped up the kitchen totally, as you can see here. We ripped up the kitchen. We're going to do all new kitchens throughout. And we're going to leave this door opening here. In the beginning I thought to break the wall and make a bigger open plan, but it's not necessary. We're going to leave it as is, just because it's going to add too much cost. Here is the bathroom. We gutted the bathroom totally here. As you can see, it's all gutted. And we're going to redo it. It's a very large bathroom here. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting project. It has a lot of potential, and we're certainly looking forward to see it when it's done up. Again, for $250,000, we're going to get a brand new building here, each of these units. And I'm planning to really go ahead, put it on obviously with a loan with the bank. So I'm funding the deal with cash right now, and I'm going to. Once it's fully renovated and fully insured, I'm going to go to a bank and they're going to cash me out. And because I'm going to add so much value to it, so I'm going to be able to refinance all my money out and just keep it for years to come, pay it off for the kids so they have a nice property when they're older. Stay tuned, see you soon, make it happen.